Hey everybody, I'm Ralph and you're watching Rum Gully DIY. So I came out here a while ago. I was going to do a little spraying, and no matter how much you prep the day before, you know how it goes. I got my sprayer hooked up. I got my roller pump out of the storage. I store it in a bucket of used oil to keep it nice and fresh. And I came out here to get some spraying done, and I found the fuel leak as soon as I cranked up. So what we got is a busted return boot right here. Now these things, they'll give up every 4 or 5 years, or you know, they dry rot after a while, and never replace one, because by the time you get that one replaced, you'll be busted another one. So, and of course, I know, at least I thought, I had a spare set, but maybe the last time I put them on, I thought I should get a spare set, and by the time I got done, that thought was long gone. I was probably thinking about food or something, you know. But luckily the John Deere place was still open, so I ran got a set of boots. So we're gonna stick those on here, and then we'll get to spraying. So here's what our boot looks like. Pretty simple, and it's pretty tough stuff. They do dry rot, but well, I say it's been 4 or 5 years, but the way time flies, it's probably been 10. I just don't know. Hard to judge. Well, you'd think that would be easy too, right? I know I made that look easy. You don't want to beat yourself up. I might have to go get some different pliers. So I was thinking, if I had a set of pliers that had a groove in the face, it might hold on to that clip better. So I got a set of these discount pliers here. They kind of banged up anyways. These are some I used to use to weld with a lot. So we're gonna see if we can't make us a groove, and we'll see how that works out. Well, I forgot to hit the record button, but there's my little groove I ground in there. Dadgummit. Y'all were there, y'all just weren't watching. The needle nose around here to get that bottom on. Here's the first one. Well, I thought I saw a crack in it a while ago. Yeah, it's got a crack right there. Get those clips down, because I got to reuse those. Number 2. Number 3, that's the bad one. At least the really bad one. All right. All right. I'm going to slide these to the center. At least that's my thought. That one don't have to be too far. I can always adjust. Oh yeah. All right. Now, can y'all see what we're working on there? Just got to get that there to go in line with 4 things at one time. How hard can it be? Right? All right, I'm tighten that fitting back down. Be sure that line goes all the way down. Well, sir, I think we're gonna give it a shot. Y'all tell me if we got any leaks. new tractor's turn this easy. All right, guys, that completes the spraying for the year here. Hopefully that'll cut down on the bush hogging at the farm, and it'll cut down on the cutting the grass every 6 days in the yard there, because I don't have that kind of time. But anyway, hey, I appreciate y'all watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye, everybody.